Hi everyone, I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making a hearty, comforting, and budget-friendly dinner. Come join me in my kitchen while I make a cheesy beef and potato casserole. This cheesy ground beef and potato casserole is going to hit the spot on this very cold evening. I love making casseroles because they are easy, comforting, budget-friendly, and feed a large family. This casserole will feed up to 6 hungry people. In a skillet on medium heat, I have about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, cooking and chopping into small pieces for about 5 minutes or until no longer pink. I'm going to drain some of the fat because I don't want my casserole greasy. I'm bulking up the casserole and adding in some flavor with some vegetables. You can season the ground beef and add just the meat, but I like adding the veggies, and you can add what you like or have. Adding in some finely diced onions, bell peppers, carrots, and a little salt and black pepper. Cooking and stirring for a couple minutes, and I'm also adding in some minced garlic, and I also found some frozen peas that I need to use. Giving that a stir for a minute, and then I'm turning off my heat. The vegetables may not be tender, but they will finish cooking in the oven. For the sauce, I have 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. You can use cream of chicken or celery. Adding in a little salt and not much. Black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, about 1 cup of milk, Worcestershire sauce, and about 1/2 cup of sour cream. You can add the seasonings that you like, giving that a good mix. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a well-buttered or greased 9x13 pan, I'm layering the bottom with some sliced yellow potatoes. The slices are about 1/8 of an inch thick, and I'm just overlaying them a little to cover the bottom. I have a little of the onion left over, so I'm evenly distributing that on top of the potatoes. Next, on goes the meat and vegetable mixture. I split the mixture in half, and I'm sprinkling evenly over the top. Half of the liquid gets poured over the top and just spread out as evenly as you can. Half of the grated cheese goes on next, and I have a mixture of Colby Jack and cheddar. And don't be chintzy with the cheese. And now we're just going to repeat the layers. A layer of potatoes, the meat and veggie mixture, and finally topped with the remainder of the sauce and spread out evenly. This gets covered and baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, and then I'll bring you back. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and the equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. It's been 1 hour and the kitchen is smelling amazing. I'm taking the foil off and topping with the remainder of the cheese. This goes back in the oven for another 30 to 40 minutes or until the potatoes are tender and the top is cheesy, bubbly, golden goodness. The cheesy beef and potato casserole is done and piping hot. Going to let this cool for a good 20 minutes before cutting. As you can see, this will feed up to 6 people. With a side salad and a piece of bread, this is a comforting meal. The potatoes are nice and tender, and I love the rich beef flavor. The veggies add a lot of bulk, flavor, and texture, and the cheesy sauce just brings it all together. Your family and pocketbook will love it. I hope you give this cheesy ground beef and potato casserole a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.